Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Mixx Streambuds Ultra Mini wireless earbuds. These earbuds promise a budget-friendly option with some interesting features, but do they deliver? Let's find out. Let's start with the design and comfort. The Mixx Streambuds Ultra Mini come in a sleek zinc alloy charging case that looks promising. It's compact and supposedly robust, although the lid does feel a bit flimsy compared to some premium options. The earbuds themselves come with 3 sizes of silicone pads, which is great for finding a comfortable fit. However, they did start to feel uncomfortable after extended use, something to keep in mind if you're planning long listening sessions. Moving on to controls and connectivity. These earbuds feature touch controls, but unfortunately, they are quite laggy and unresponsive. Adjusting volume or skipping tracks can be frustrating, especially since the companion app, which allows customization of these controls, often doesn't work reliably. Connectivity-wise, I faced issues switching between devices, which is surprising given the Bluetooth 5.1 technology they boast. Now, let's talk about the most critical aspect, sound quality. The Mixx Streambuds Ultra Mini fall short here. While you can customize the EQ to some extent, the overall audio experience is disappointing. The sound tends to be muffled, lacking clarity, and struggling with nuanced tracks. High volumes also result in audio bleeding, which might not be ideal in shared spaces. On the bright side, battery life is decent, offering around 6 hours per charge with an additional 18 hours from the charging case. However, this doesn't compensate for the other shortcomings. There's no active noise cancellation, which is a letdown considering the price range. In conclusion, the Mixx Streambuds Ultra Mini wireless earbuds try to compete in the budget segment but fall short in crucial areas like sound quality, app functionality, and overall user experience. While they do come with a sleek design and customizable EQ, these positives are overshadowed by poor touch controls, connectivity issues, and underwhelming sound performance. If you're on a tight budget and can overlook these drawbacks, they might suffice for casual listening. However, for anyone looking for reliable performance and good sound quality, there are better alternatives in the market. That wraps up our review of the Mixx Streambuds Ultra Mini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.